Hello channel hoppers, me again. Right, so here's the backstory. So the BMW recently went in for a recall, safety recall. It was the airbag apparently, and they've found shards of metal in some of them, so they're replacing all of them. So basic BMW callback, and the job's only about an hour, so not too bad. But of course they do the usual safety inspection and the check over of the car when it goes into them, and they've obviously found a few problems of prices that I'm not going to pay but nothing major, just little things that are wearing out. It's a 10-year-old car, so yeah, what do you expect? But one of the things they did pull up on was quite interesting, and it's the headlight level sensor. It seems to be seized, so I'm going to jack it up and I'm going to see if I can unseize it. If I can't, they're not that expensive. I think BM wanted my left arm this time to replace that, but yeah, eBay has them a lot cheaper. So I'm going to get it up in the air and see what I can do with it. And you'll join me, because that's why you're here, or you've just clicked off because you're not interested. Whichever way, I'm going to get it done. So I'm not sure how much you can see, but there is the offending article. Just there. Can you see it? I must say, I'm looking at it and I'm struggling to see it, so you may be as well. But yeah, that arm, apparently, let me get my hand in there. It's going to be great camera work, this is. It's stuck. Yeah. So, I need to unstick it. I hope you can see something, because, yeah, this isn't great camera work, I know it. Right. See what I can do. So I've tried to come around the other side a little bit more. Why would you put a bleeding cover over it? I mean, look at this. Why? I mean, really, why? Good grief. I ain't going to get into it unless I take that cover off, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some oil on it and hope for the best. Not, again, sure how much you can see. I'll try and move you around, maybe it will help, maybe it won't, I don't know. But yeah, that's a bit of lovely BMW design yet again. Good video this, isn't it? I bet you're glad you stayed. There you are. There you are, in there. Do you know, I'm starting to wonder, is it stuck or not, to be honest. I can move the arm. I don't want to start popping joints off, because I've been on there a long time and they might not go back on as good again. I don't think it is seized. I really don't. Oh well, I'm going to put some oil on it anyway, see what happens. So I took the arm off. Does that look seized to you? No, me neither. Let's make some money out of unsuspecting people, shall we? Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, I took it off, and to be fair, I suppose the top one is a little bit crusty and is not moving freely. I hardly call it seized, but yeah, let's sort it anyway. There you go, all back on the ground again. So it wasn't what I'd call seized, but to be fair, I can understand why somebody quickly visually checking it and maybe putting his fingers on it and it not moving very well, they could come to that assumption. But anyway, it was a good call, it was a good shout. But now it's nice and loose, it's fully greased up, and well, I think it's working properly anyway, but it'll work longer properly. Right, that's it. So that's all I'm doing. There are other jobs to do on this at a later date. If you want anything pointing out on this, you know, I've done oil changes, I've done all sorts of bits and bobs. I plan to give it a really good polish soon as well as the old Merc sitting here as well. So stay tuned, who knows what's coming up next. I don't, so you certainly don't. Right, anyway, thanks for joining me today, and yeah, weekend's coming up soon, so have a good one. Catch you later, guys. Bye bye.